Iowa Clover Power Cooking School is now in session. Get ready to learn how to prepare another nutritious snack recipe with some simple ingredients along with your Iowa State University Cooking School friends, showing you how to make cooking fun and healthy.
Welcome to the Clover Power Cooking School. My name is Marissa and this is Victoria, and we're students at Iowa State studying dietetics.
Today we will be cooking a recipe from Iowa State's Spend Smart, Eat Smart. We are making guacamole.
Today we're going to be practicing knife safety skills and proper food measurement.
Now we can get started. First, we will wash our hands. You want to make sure you wash your hands with warm soapy water getting between your fingers and underneath your nails. We have already done so, but if you haven't done so yet, please do so now.
All right, after you've washed your hands, you can go ahead and gather your ingredients. We have ours laid out here on the table. You're going to use 3 medium avocados, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half of an onion, half of a tomato, and jalapeno is optional. And we can also serve it with multigrain tortilla chips.
Today our tools will consist of a paring knife, a spoon, a butter knife, a chef knife, measuring spoons, a masher, a small bowl, and a large bowl, and then lastly our cutting board.
All right, first we're going to start by cutting our avocado. So using your non-dominant hand, we're going to hold it onto the cutting board. You're going to take your knife, and we're slowly going to cut around the pit of the avocado until we reach the top where we started. Then you should be able to twist your avocado open, just like so. All right, now taking 1/2 of our avocado, we're going to use our spoon to scoop out the flesh. So we're going to take our large bowl here and scoop everything out into that, just slowly going around the skin of the avocado. There we go. Then we're going to take our other half. This one has the pit in it, so we want to take that out first. Just going to set that down on the cutting board and then scoop the rest of the flesh out of this one.
Next, we will be cutting the onion. First, we want to make sure that we anchor our cutting board with a wet paper towel or rag. We want to make sure that it doesn't slide around. The next technique we will be learning is the bear claw technique. We want to be sure to curl our fingertips underneath our hands so we protect them. We will cut the end of the onion like so, and we'll make sure to get the outer skin out. We will then have the onion facing us and do long strips. Now we want to turn the onion and do long strips this way. Now we will be cutting the tomato. You want to cut the tomato as so with your butter knife. Don't forget the bear claw method, and you want to do long strips of the tomato also. Now you want to gather the tomato and turn it, and also do long strips.
All right, now we're going to add our lime juice to our avocado. So we have our tablespoon here, and we're going to add our lime juice till it reaches the top. I'm going to add that in. Then we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just want to shake it off to make sure it's even and level. And then add that in. Then we're also adding a teaspoon of garlic powder. This we've already pre-measured. And now we're going to mash all of this together using our masher. We want it to be creamy but still have a few chunks in it. Now we're going to add everything else to our bowl of avocado, which is our healthy fat in this recipe.
We will be adding our onions, which are a good source of antioxidants, which help with reducing inflammation. We are adding the tomatoes, which are a good source of vitamin A, which is good for your eyes. It's great for potassium, which is a heart-healthy mineral. And then lastly, this is optional. This is our jalapeno. It is very spicy, so if you like spice, go ahead and add it, but it's also a great antioxidant. There we go. And just like that, we can start mixing.
So now we have our finished product of our guacamole, which we're serving with multigrain fiber chips. So what ingredients did we use today?
We used avocado, tomato, onion, and a jalapeno. That's right.
And we practiced our knife safety skills in proper measurement.
We also learned that healthy snacks can be easy and fun to make.
Remember that avocado is our healthy fat in this recipe, and it helps your brain and your heart.
Also, healthy fats can be found in nuts, salmon, and olive oil.
So next time you make a snack, see if you can add a healthy fat to it. You could even make guacamole for you and your family to try at home.
Thank you for cooking with Clover Power Cooking School. We are happy to have you here. Now let's try our guac.